Today I'm going to try to make a pot pie for the first time. A pot pie. I'm going to use these deep dish Pillsbury pie crust. I got my chicken cut up. I'm going to boil it. Okay, and I got some celery and carrots already cut up. I had these frozen in the freezer. So I'm going to just go ahead and use them for this. That's a bad carrot. Take that one out. And I'm going to use these frozen Great Value peas. Let's see how much peas. I'm going to put about that much peas in. Half the bag. And I'm going to let this cook. I'm going to bring this to a boil and let it cook for about 15 minutes. And I'm going to add just some salt and pepper. That's why it's best to buy fresh carrots, fresh vegetables, instead of already pre-packaged. Okay, that looks good. We're gonna let that simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, while I got the chicken mixture going, I'm gonna make my filling. I'm gonna use some Kerrygold butter. I'm gonna use about a half a stick. I don't even know how much. Let me see how much. And some onions. Okay, that's like a half an onion. I'm gonna cut up a half an onion and add it to the butter. I'm going to use these about, I don't know, 3 of them. About 3. Put these in here. Yeah, got some water with it hot. I feel like I want to put a potato in. I'm going to put a potato in there. I should have put this in here first. Now it probably ain't going to be done. The potatoes probably ain't going to be done. But, yeah. I don't like these. I'm not buying these again. I'm going to just buy chicken broth that's already made. There you go. Just smash them up. There. Yeah, there. Yeah. Yeah. Put some milk. Okay, I'm going to turn this down. I'm going to add some flour. And I preheated the oven to 350. Okay, I gotta drain this. Okay, there's my mixture. I'm gonna grease these, especially around the edges. You gotta taste it before you put it in. Taste it, see how it tastes. A little more salt and pepper. Yeah. Oh no. Okay, I got too much. So, I'm gonna put half in here, half in here. Alright, I got them all done, sealed up here with holes in the top to vent for moisture. And I'm going to put these in the oven on 350 for about 45 minutes. I'm on a pan just in case it boils over in the oven. Okay, I took these out and put some butter on the top. And see there, put that butter on the top. Put a lot of butter on that one by mistake. Let them cool for about 5 minutes before I cut into it. Yeah, just dig in the middle. Let's see what it looked like inside. Hot. Oh, okay. Alright, so we're gonna see what it tastes like. Okay, what'd you say?
I don't even like peas, but it's good. Very flavorful.
Okay, great. Yay. You know what? I could have took it out a little earlier because it's not as juicy as the pot pie, but that looks really good. Bon appetit.
10 out of 10.
Yay. I like mine to be real creamy, so I made some extra gravy, extra roux, so I can just put it on top once I heat it up, so it won't be dry. Now, that's how I like it. That's how I like it. Really creamy. Bon appetit. Yay.